Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the cute drawing activities. Let's begin with the first one. For this one you may require the marker and then you just have to trace down a triangular shape and the circular round shape inside which you are going to place with the help of the black marker some of the facial features. This activity is very simple and very easy. Definitely give this one a try. Don't forget to color the hair portion like here we are doing with the help of the black marker. Let's move towards our another activity. First, you just have to take the empty cap bottle and you just have to trace down a circular shape. After that, with the help of the marker, you just have to convert it into the hat portion. Like here, we are done. After that, you just have to build the braid from both the ends of this cute tiny girl, and you can see it's winking at someone. So then you just have to add some more features. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is of medium difficulty. You just have to fill it with some of the bright colors, or you just have to focus on its body because you just have to keep it symmetrical and somewhat curvier at some portions. We are just making use of the sketch pens for filling it with the colors. You can use of any other color of your own choice. Let's now move further with our another activity. Again, we are tracing down the circle from the empty plastic bottle cap, and after that we are building the ears from both the ends. Now we are just making the ear portion, hair portion from the upper portion, and we have made the spectacles and the nose and the lips area. Now it's time to make the rest of the body. For that we have to make a shape that's similar to the square, but you just have to make only three sides of the square. After that the rest of the body is to be made. This activity is again very simple. We are filling it with some of the subtle colors. For the shirt one we are using the blue color, and for the jeans one we are making use of the gray color. You can use any other color of your own choice. We found a good combination and it's an office going man, so we use this formal color. Let's move further with our another activity. For this one you just have to take this coin, and after that you just have to trace down the half circle as a semicircle. After that you just have to work on the semicircle, convert it into the facial features of this mermaid, and then you just have to make the ears from both the ends, and the hair is to be kept long. It looks so cute and so beautiful. Definitely give this one a try. We are making use of the brown color for filling it the hair portion with it, and after that the tint is given around the eyes area. Let's move further with our another activity. For this one, we are taking this highlighter and tracing down the alphabet H, and after that, we are going to build the rest of the body using the black marker. Like here, we are doing this. You just have to make the bow around the neck portion, and you just have to make the cute two ponytails around the head area. This looks so cute and so easy. This girl is again winking, so we have made its one eye somewhat similar to the lines that are curvier, and then we are filling it with the tint area around the cheeks. Let's now move further with our another activity. You just have to trace down alphabet R. After that, you just have to build it into the boy that's somewhat walking in the rain and wearing a raincoat. This activity is again very simple. It's best suitable for the small kids. Definitely give this one a try. You just have to focus over the legs portion as apparent here. Now we are filling it with the color here. We are making use of the bold reddish color. You can use any other color also. Let's move further towards another activity. You can see you just have to trace down the alphabet F using a marker, and after that you just have to build the facial features of this girl with the help of the black marker, and now we are filling the hair portion with the help of the brown color. This is again very simple. It's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Definitely give this one a try. It looks so pretty at the end. Thanks for watching.